Sairam children. Sairam children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well at home. Children, today we will start again doing work in workbook. This is our maths workbook. We are in earlier video we have done from page number 3 to page number 7. Today in workbook we will do from page number 8 to 15. Okay, let's go. This is your page number 18. Question number 3 is that take the child father from the bench and cross the child that is near to the bench. Here you can see a picture. In this picture you have to take the child who is far from the bench and you have to cross the child who is near to the bench. So children, according to the picture, the small boy who is younger is near by the bench. So what we do here we will do cross in the box, and the child who is far away, here we have to tick. Okay children, in question number 4, here we have to, this is your question number 4. Take the tree nearer to the girl and cross the tree farther from the girl. So here we have to tick the tree who is near to the girl and tick and cross the tree that is far away. So which tree is near by the girl? If you see the picture carefully, this tree is belong to the girl and this tree is far away. So here we have to tick the tree and this tree we have to cross. Okay, in this way you have to do page number 8. Now come to the next page. Here we have topic that is nearest and the farthest. So among all three, among the different picture, we have to select the nearest and the farthest. So first is look at the picture. Your first question is here. Look at the picture who given below. Name the child which is near by the vehicle and who is farthest from the vehicle. So here we have to look at the here we have to name the child who is nearest and who is farthest from the vehicle. So here we have 3 different children here. First Ram, Sita and Sonu. So if you see the picture, the Ram is nearest to the bicycle among all 3. So what we have to do, in the first blank we have to write Ram. Here in this space we have to write Ram in this space. Okay, and which is the child farthest from cycle? The Sonu. The Sonu is standing behind the Sita at last. So Sonu is the child who is farthest from the cycle. Okay, now in the next picture there are 3 children, Shyam, Geeta and Radha. So here we have to tell which child is standing nearest to the bus and which child is standing farthest from the bus. So here we have 3 children, Shyam, Geeta and Radha. So we have to tell which one is standing nearest to the bus and which one is standing farthest from the bus. So if we go here, Radha is standing nearby the bus and Shyam is standing far away at last, so that it is farthest from the bus. So in the first blank here we will write Radha and in the second gap we will write Shyam. Okay, now this is done. Page number 9 we have done. Come to page number 10. Same way we have to describe here which one is standing nearest to Otto and which child is standing farthest from Otto. Here we have 4 children: Nidhi, Suman, Monu and Nita. So among all these 4 we have to tell name of one child who is nearest to Otto and who is farthest from Otto. So how can we do this? Very simple. The child who is standing at first, it is nearest to Otto, and the child who is standing at last is farthest from Otto. Understand, children? So the first one, that is Nidhi. Nidhi is standing at first place, so she is nearest to Otto, and the Nita is standing at last, so she is farthest from Otto. Understood, children? So the one who is standing at first, it is nearest, and the another one who is standing at last, he is farthest from things. Okay, so here we got our answer that in first blank we have to write Nidhi, and in the last blank we have to write Nita. Okay, again we have now in place of Otto we have ox cart. Again we have 4 children here, that is Raju, Rima, Seema and Golu. So again we have to tell here that who is nearest to the bullock cart and who is farthest. So as I told you, it is very simple to define this. The one who is standing at first place is nearest, and the one who is standing at last, it is far away, farthest. So here we have our answer. Golu is standing near at first place to the bullock cart, so he is the nearest to the bullock cart, and the Raju who is standing at behind at last, so he is farthest from the bullock cart among all the 4 children. Okay, so in the first blank we will write Golu, and in the second blank we will write Raju. So children, if you see here, with the help of picture you can easily understand the difference between nearest and farthest. So you have so many things around you. You can play so many games who describe the difference between nearest and farthest. I request to the parents to take care of all these. So we have done. Now we will come to the next page, that is page number 11. In page number 11 we have topic that is on, under and above, below. If you remember, I have already described the difference between on and under, but with the help of picture you can understand it very easily and very soon. So let's start. This is the question. It is in the form of fill in the blanks. So come to question number A. In question number A, there are 2 things in the picture. The first one is fan and the second is table. So we have to tell where is the position of table and where is the position of fan. Let's start. Here we have our first fill in the blanks. Come on, read with me. The table is dash the fan. So here we have 2 options, above and below. So where is the table? Yes, the table is above or below. The table is below the fan. Okay, so the thing who is standing down, that is below, and who is placing up, that is above. So here the table is on the floor, so it is below, and the fan who is on the ceiling, it is up. Up means above. Okay, so here we will write, we have to tick, here we will write below and the fan is above. Okay, so you have to tick the correct one and write down in the given blank. B, where is the flower case and where is the cat? If you see the picture carefully, the flower vase is on the table and the cat is under the table. So here we have our on, and this is the cat is sleeping under the table. So we have to write on in first blank and under in second blank. Next, the girl and her bag. The girl is sitting dash the rolling chair. So where is girl sitting? Very easy. The girl is sitting on the chair. So here we will write O and on. Okay. And where is his bag? Where is her books and bag? Her books and bag are kept dash the chair. So where is the book and bag? If you see the picture, the book is here under the chair. So what we do is what we write here? Under. Okay, children, please kindly do practice of reading. If you read well, then you can easily understand the question, the concept which is given in the question, and you can understand everything very soon. Now in next question we have to talk about here birds and fishes. So where are the birds flying and where are the fishes? So the birds are flying above the sea. ABOVE, above the sea. And where are the fishes? The fishes are on the sea. Okay. Now come to the next. Here we have page number 12. In this page we have to talk about rolling and sliding. We have so many things around us which can roll and which can slide. So there is difference between rolling and sliding. Okay. Now we in the first question, the question is tick the object that will roll and cross the object that will slide. Okay. So here we have picture of circle, that is wheel, and box. So if you push the wheel, it will go roll and roll and roll. Okay. So we have to tick the object that is roll and we have to cross the object that will slide. So if you push the box, it will not roll, it will slide. Okay. So here we have to tick the wheel and we have to cross the square. Okay. If you have something like that, the thing which is circle in shape, mostly things in circle in shape can roll. So it is very easy to understand the wheel can roll. Now again we have book and ball. So ball is in circle, so we have to tick the ball and cross the book. The book cannot roll, but the ball can roll because it is circle in shape. Again we have matchstick and a fruit. A fruit is circle in shape, so it can roll. We have to tick the fruit and we have to cross the matchstick. It cannot roll, it can slide. Now the last, that is pumpkin and the teddy bear, is a toy, soft toy. So who is a circle in shape? That is pumpkin. So we have to tick the pumpkin and we have to cross the teddy bear. Okay children, so you can understand the mostly things who is circle in shape, it can roll. Okay. Now come to the next page. Here we have again the topic. Here we have topic rolling and sliding. Let's see what we have to do here. Complete the shapes given in column 2 by seeing at the shapes given in column 1. It is very easy, and you have done it previous also in previous class. So what we have to do here? Here we have full circle, but here we have half. So what we have to do? We have to complete the shape. Okay? Again, complete the shape. Children, please be careful when you are completing this with pencil. It is good enough to draw it well. Okay? Again, then we have square, so we have to complete the shape. Then we have rectangle, we have to complete the shape. Okay? So in this way you have to complete the shape. Okay? Now in the next picture, page number 14, color the shapes in the figure below with the help of instruction given. So children, here we have red for circle, for triangle, yellow, here we have red for square, yellow for triangle, green for rectangle, and blue for circle. So here we have different diagrams or picture. We have to color it according to the shapes and colors given. So for red we have to, for square we have to color it red, for triangle we have to color yellow, for rectangle we have to color green, and for circle we have to color blue. So here we go. For red, for square we have to color red. So where is the square? This is square, so here we have to color it red. Okay? Now for circle we have to color blue. So here we have circle, so we have to color it blue. Okay? And for rectangle we have to color green. So this is rectangle, so we have to fill it with green color. Okay? Be careful when you are coloring the picture, it should not go out of the line. And for triangle we have to color yellow, so here we have yellow. This is triangle, so we have to color it yellow. So in this way you have to color all the picture. Okay? In this question you have to color the smallest shape and the biggest shape in green. So among three, this is the smallest shape. Which is smallest shape? 1, 2, 3, 2. So here we have to color red. And which is the biggest? Here, that is green. Okay? So again we have cone. So in among all these cone we have to find out the smallest and we have to find out the biggest. Okay? So in this way you have to complete this page. Now the next picture and the last is 15, page of 15. Here we have to color the biggest shape with blue. So we have this C and D. So in first box we have 4 picture. We have to color the biggest shape. So here this is biggest. You can do any color according to your wish. Okay? So if you want to color yellow, do it yellow. Do it yellow. Okay? This is biggest. Here in triangle this one is biggest. So if you want to do pink, do it pink. Now in circle, which one is biggest? This? No. This? No. This? No. This? Yes. So do it blue. And in last, this. So do it blue. So children, in this way you have to complete your work in workbook. I hope you all done very well and explained it very well. Okay, Sairam. Till then, Sairam, take care, be safe.